All right. So real quick, let's knock this out. You're going to have an assignment today over these same problems. So -3 is my y-intercept, yeah? And then my slope is what?
3.
No, my slope is... So just to recap, y equals mx plus b. B is the y-intercept, right? This is b. And m is the slope. So the first thing we do is we go to the y-axis and we go to -3 and we graph that point, right? 0, comma, -3. That's my y-intercept. From there, I'm going to go up 1, because that's a positive 1, and to the right 2, right? Because when we go up 1, right, in the y direction, up is positive, down is negative. In the x direction, or the run, to the right is positive, and to the left is negative. So we're going to go up 1 and over 1, 2. Put a point there. From there, we can go up 1, over 2, put a point there. Up 1, over 2, put a point there. And we could go backwards. I can go down 1 and to the left 2. I can go down 1 and to the left 2, down 1 and to the left 2. Draw my line through the dots. And if your line's a little bit off, just put bigger dots, right? All right, that's that one. Next one. Remember, this is y equals mx plus b. What's the slope? -3. So m is equal to -3, but I want to rise over run. So can I say -3 over 1? -3 over 1. So remember, down is negative, and the bottom number is left or right. Since it's positive, we're going to go to the right. What's my y-intercept, though?
2.
Yeah, +2. So my y-intercept is +2. So on the y-axis, that's what it means to be the y-intercept. We're going to have a dot on 2 on the y-axis. From there, what do I do? I'm going to go down 3, right? I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, and then what? Over 1. That's a point on the line. What can I do to get to the next point? Go down 1, 2, 3, over 1. That's the next point. And I could go up 3, right? 1, 2, 3, and then this way 1, right? And then I just connect the dots. That's my graph. What happens if your line isn't perfect? Make the dots bigger. I wish I had a ruler for this thing. Some of these things are, well, before I go off on a tangent, does anybody have any questions? Does this make sense? Okay, your assignment is online. Okay, so that's what I expect you to do. Some more practice on this.